Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today is day number 1293 and this is my first Charlotte Tilbury product that I've ever tried out and I am so excited about it. I have here the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner that I have in the shade Pillow Talk 2 Medium, and I got this in my August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X box, and this was probably the product that I was most excited to get because I've heard so many great things about Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner, and I am finally trying it out. I've been wanting to try it out for years. So if you have not seen my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag X, I'll have that video linked in the description down below because that's a really fun box. But so this retails for $22 and this is the Pillow Talk collection of the lip liners. So there's the lighter classic Pillow Talk shade and a darker version, but then within the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat lip liners, there are a lot of colors, but I'm so excited that this is the shade that I got. And I just love nude lip liners in general. It has been such a game changer for me because I have small lips and I want to get lip filler, but I probably will never actually do it. And using a nude lip liner has allowed me to give the illusion of fuller lips and just a more ideal lip shape that I want to have. So the fact that this is reshape and resize lip liner is just exactly what I do and what I'm looking for with my lip liners. And this is supposed to be long wearing, which is something I love in a lip product. It's vegan, so classic, lovely packaging. It is the type of lip liner that you sharpen with a regular pencil sharpener. And so before I apply it to my lips, I want to do a little swatch. Ooh, very pretty. I feel like this is going to be very similar to my natural lip shade, which is perfect. Seems like it glides on easily, so let's go ahead and line my lips. Wow, just that first line and I'm already like, this shade is even better than I imagined, and I was already imagining that it was going to be amazing. But so when I line my bottom lip, I just line exactly on my natural lip line. So I will say it's not the most creamy gel lip liner that just glides on easily, but it's still very easy to apply. But now for my top lip, I'm gonna go slightly on top of my natural lip line. So I go right onto my natural lip line in the corner and right down to my natural Cupid's bow, but like you can see the difference in the size of my top lip, overlined versus not overlined. But since this shade is so similar to my natural lip color, it's perfect for doing overlining. There we go. I don't think that this is going to be the best lip liner for filling in my lips, but I'm still gonna try it out. But my lips are very chapped, and this has a matte finish, so we'll see how it looks all over my lips as well. Yeah, what I was a little bit worried about, it's clinging to where my lips are really chapped, so it's looking a little darker there, it's showing lip texture. But here you can get a better idea of what the color really looks like. And it really is such a beautiful nude shade. Very neutral, flattering, perfect for any time, any season. I love it. But it definitely feels kind of dry, kind of like sticky almost when I rub my lips together. So Actually, my favorite lip combo that I do lately is to line my lips in a natural nude lip color for me, and then I fill in my lips with a lip gloss. Lately, I've been using the Ofra Golden Rose lip gloss. You can see I'm like getting low on this because I love the combination of this lip gloss on top of a nude lip liner. So that's what I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip cheat for. So I'm just going to use it to outline my lips, overline the top lips like you saw, and then I'll just top it with lip gloss rather than using it to fully fill in my lips like this. But it does say it lasts for at least 6 hours. So let's see if there's transfer. Wow. Yeah, no transfer at all. I love that. So I really do think that this is living up to the hype. And I am so happy to finally have a Charlotte Tilbury makeup product. But you know what that means? Now I want to try out more. So if you have any favorite Charlotte Tilbury products, let me know what they are in the comments down below. I hope that I'll get more Charlotte Tilbury in Ipsy in the future because I'm just so excited that I got this for such a great deal. But I would also like to know in the comments down below if you've tried out the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. What are your thoughts on it? Do you think it's worth the hype? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.